Homemade butter with the sea salt and the cracked black pepper on top. 2½ cups of cream mixed with a cup of sour cream. I'm just gonna mix it and mix it. And the cream and the sour cream are gonna come together. That's how you get the butter with the nicest, tangiest flavor and the best texture. Just give it a whisk, kind of get those two ingredients nice and friendly with each other. So once these two ingredients have been whisked together a little bit, I'll just put it on my mixer and let the electric mixer do the work. I mean, it is Sunday. Looks great. And you can see when it first comes out, the liquid and the solid have really separated. The liquid part is actually buttermilk, the natural byproduct of butter making. And this is pure deliciousness, butter that we're gonna spread all over toast. Now I wanna drain this buttermilk and separate it from the butter. So to do that, I just put a little cheesecloth on a strainer. Start by draining out that buttermilk, and then gather the butter up in the bowl. Gather this up in that cheesecloth. Just give it a few gentle but firm twists to drain any excess buttermilk off the exterior. Look at that. You'll see the butter start to just come slightly through the cheesecloth. And now submerge it in the ice bath. And now I kind of feel like this is a metamorphosis. We put this butter into its ice bath, clean it, take it out, and it's just magical. So amazing to me how simple making something like homemade butter can be. Gently peel away that layer of cheesecloth. Now for this, I'm gonna pop it on the table kind of innocently, like, oh, by the way, I just happened to whip up some homemade butter. So right when I'm finished making it, I always just pop it into a nice dish and let it sit out, kind of stay nice and room temperature so it's soft and ready for spreading, because that's part of brunch, having everything right at the same time. And then really that real reminder that we just made everything from scratch, that homemade butter with the sea salt and the cracked black pepper on top. Hear that sound? That's the sound of brunch. Wow, I have to take a bite.